Okay, so this is just a quick note. While I was on Texas 130, I was on a section of road where there was four lanes, I think. I was one in from the outside lane. But part of it is that outside lane is going to go away. We're passing the signs. Okay. I am only on TAC. I'm only using cruise control. I am not using FSD at this time. Okay. You know when traffic is slow around you, people are tempted to use the outside lane if it's open. Okay. I was aware of it, but I felt like, okay, we're getting close. It'll be fine. Anyway, Tesla detected a car coming up fast in the outside lane just as that lane's ending. So the car slowed down, faded a little bit left. Probably saved me from an accident.